Hey everyone, today I am going to be doing an update on my project pan progress, and I do have some empties this month. I also have some products that I'm switching out, and I'm bringing in some new products. So that's always exciting, I feel like, for me when I use some things up and I get to switch in some new products to use. So I have my basket over here. Let's just get into this and start with the first category, which is body care. Bon Bon Victor and Rolf perfumed body lotion. I'm currently right here, like about where my finger is. That's how far I've gotten, and I used this a total of 6 times so far to get to this point. I thought that I would have this done already, but I actually didn't use it as many times as I thought I was going to. But when I did use it, those 6 times, I did use it kind of like around my body, so like on my arms, my legs, things like that. Next product is my shower product, Nivea shaving gel. Can't see through the packaging whatsoever on this one, but I did use it 4 times. On to the last body product that I was using, which is this Prada little fragrance sample here. And if you have seen my empties video, you'll see a couple of spoilers, and maybe I'll go into detail about my opinions more on them in that video versus this one. But this I did not end up liking. I didn't finish it. I used it, how many times? I only used this 1 time, and then decided that I hated it. So I'm actually going to be decluttering this, taking it out of my project, and then just swapping in something else. It's another little fragrance sample, and this is by Chanel Chance, is like the pink version of it. And this is another spray sample, so I like those a lot better than the pour ones. So I'm hoping that I can get through this within a month. We'll kind of see. Next is hair, so we're gonna move on to the hair category, and I had this little foil packet sample. What was this? The Man-Made Wash Shampoo, Conditioner, and Body Wash, and this was in Sweet Tobacco. I used this little foil packet 5 times and finished it up. And then I am going to be bringing in my last foil packet sample. I thought that one was, but then I ended up getting this one. So now this is my last foil packet Haircare sample that I have. So I'm adding this into this month's project. And this is the Nexus shampoo and conditioner, the Protein Fusion. I'm pretty sure I can get through these within a month, so that should be pretty good. And I think I like these ones, so that'll be a good thing too. And then I will be done with this category in my collection, which is exciting. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using this up because I think I'll enjoy the product, and because then it's my last product in that category. Yay! I did really well for hair care this month. I actually am switching out every single hair care product in this project. Most of them I did go through and I used up. One of them I'm switching out, but the second hair care product was like my everyday regular using hair care routine product, and I had put in this. This is the NatureLab Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub, and as you can see, this one is completely empty. I used it 9 times, which I think is actually a good amount of times for this little bit of a jar. I felt like you needed, I don't want to say like a teeny bit, but not a whole lot. Like I feel like I couldn't use too much in my hair at a time because it would like really dry it out. But I kind of didn't like this product at first, and then I kind of grew to appreciate it. So I'm glad that I actually got to use this, because otherwise if I did not put this in my project pan, I wouldn't have used it at all, and I wouldn't have really known my thoughts on this type of product. So I'm glad that I got to use this. So I used that up, and I'm going to be replacing it with, what? Yes, you have seen this in this project pan before in a different category, and I rolled it out, and now I'm rolling it back in. I don't usually do that. This is the first time I'm doing that, but I am out of my curling hair product, and this is my only other kind of curl type of holding product that I have in my collection currently. So this is what I'm going to be moving on to using. It doesn't give as much of a curl to my hair, like it doesn't hold my curl as well. It'll be more of like a wave kind of look, but I do like this product. So I'm going to be bringing this in. I'm not sure if I'm really going to be able to finish all of this, but I do want to make some progress on it. So as you can see, I am currently right here. Again, I will have to mark this and then you'll kind of see my progress going forward. But now let's move on to the next hair care product, which I also finished, and that is my Obliphica Seaberry hair serum. And as you can see here, I was at this mark right here last update and I used up the rest of it within this past month, which is pretty good. I wasn't expecting to use up that much this month, but I did. So pretty happy with that. I actually really liked this product, so I'm a little sad to see it go. I used this 19 times this past month, and since having this in my project, it was completely full when I brought it in. I used it 69 times. That's a lot of times to use like a little deluxe size product, but I am going to be bringing in another type of serum product to hopefully do a similar thing in my hair care routine. So this is the BioSilk Silk Therapy, and I feel like this is a really well-known product, but I've never tried it before, so I'm kind of looking forward to using this one. Okay, last hair care product, I was using / testing out this hairspray by Big Sexy Hair, and this is their Get Layered Flash Dry Thickening Hairspray. And I used this 3 times and thought it worked decently, but I am going to be swapping it out to try out my last hairspray in my collection. This is the same brand, and this is the Big Sexy Hair Spray and Play, and this is their volumizing hairspray. We're going to be doing a battle between the two to see which one I keep and which one I get rid of. Now onto skincare. I am still working on all 4 of my skincare products. I didn't finish any of them up. I was so close to finishing one of them up, but it didn't quite happen, and that's okay. I don't need to force it. It'll happen next month for sure. For the first category is an anti-aging product, which is my Mario Badescu ADE Neck Cream. And as you'll be able to tell, hopefully from the little clip of showing you my progress on this, I've used quite a bit of this. I feel like it is really making lots of progress. I can see it going down. I used this a total of 26 times this past month, which is really good because, you know, last month I did not do so well. And actually I have been noticing, because I've been using it so consistently this month, I've been noticing like a difference of the lines on my neck. They're not as deep, like they're not as pronounced. I'm excited to continue to use this product. I think it'll still possibly take me to the end of the year to use this up though. Next product is the one that I almost finished. This is the Pierre Thomas Roth Firm X Peeling Gel. And I used this 4 times, like I kind of knew I would, once a week, because I didn't want to overdo it and use it more than that. But I think there's really only 1 or 2 more uses in this thing, so I'm thinking this will for sure be done by next month. I have actually been enjoying this one too, so that's good. Now on to my serum product. This is the Juice Beauty Blemish Clearing Serum. And again, I have really been enjoying using this. I used it a total of 27 times, so 1 more time than using the neck cream, so I've been very consistent with this one as well. I should have marked these products, like I really should have, because I feel like it would have been easier to tell. This is about where I am in this one. I'm about right here, so a little bit more than halfway full. My next product that I used is this one here by Freeman, and this is their Avocado Oatmeal and Clay Mask. And this one I used 3 times this past month. I think this is going to take me a long time. I think it'll take me well past the end of the year to be using this one, but at least I'm making some progress. All right, I'm going to have to come back and finish this up later. I have to get going somewhere. I'm going to be late. I will come back. I may look totally different, but we will finish this up in a little bit. See you in a second. I am back. I told you I would look totally different than before. My makeup is pretty much totally off my face by this point. Obviously I've changed. My hair is just a mess. I'm a bit of a mess, but I wanted to finish up this video for you guys. This is actually a really fun video for me to film normally, and it's just it's been a day. So we're gonna wrap this up. We've got a few more categories to go through. Let's pick this back up with the makeup. I have 2 products that I'm knocking everything down, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's get through this. Okay. First one is my little mini M.A.C lipstick that I've been using. This is in Velvet Teddy. I've used this 13 times this month, and I made a tiny bit of progress. I'll show you how my progress is doing. I'll insert that picture for you so you can see that. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at currently. So I'm not wearing this every day. There are days, a couple days a week, where I'm wearing a mask, so there's really no point in wearing a lip product. So I'm not wearing it as much as I used to have the opportunity to wear it, but that's okay. I'm still working on it little by little, so still a lot more to go though. I'm not sure that one's going to be done by the end of the year. Next one is from Ulta, and this is the eye crayon pencil thing. And this is in Cocoa Puff, and I actually really enjoy this, but again, I haven't been wearing this when I go into the office, so I'm wearing it a little bit less each time per week. And then oddly enough, like, I sometimes don't just feel like putting on makeup some days when I'm working from home and I don't have any Zoom meetings going on. I don't know what happened. I used to love putting on makeup, and I think, I don't know, hopefully we can get back to that, but I didn't use this like much at all. I think, yeah, I only used this 4 times throughout the month. Like, what? I can do so much better than that. I don't know what my problem is. Last month, I think I only used it 3 times, so at least I used it 1 more time. That's a plus, right? So as far as the progress goes, there's not much to share with you. I don't think it really moved from the previous month, but I'll still show it to you. You know, you can see it. I'm still marking it. I'm still marking my disappointing progress. Now on to the makeup that I did use up this past month that I'm excited about. The first one is this Kula makeup setting spray. I'm shaking it and I can't hear a thing. I used this 10 times and I didn't like it. It was expired. I found out it was expired, so that's probably why I didn't like it. But I'm glad I finally worked through that. I feel like I actually haven't even had that product that long. I think that's something that I got this year, actually, from Ulta as a freebie. That's really strange. Maybe I had it previously, but for some reason I'm thinking I got it this year. So anyway, I used that up, and then I'm going to be replacing it with a new product. This is from Too Faced. This is their Hangover RX Primer. Now, I'm pretty sure everybody has tried this by now, but me. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I'm excited for this one. I think it'll be a good one for me, and I hope it's a good one too, because it's just one that I've been wanting to try for a while, so now is my time to try it. Yes. My next product for my project pan, and the last item, is this Benefit Posy Tint little deluxe size sample thing, and I've been using this for blush. I think I used it once or twice previously as like a lip product, but I use this as a blush, and actually I'm looking at this and there is now a little bit of product on the brush, whereas I was having the hardest time getting out any product at all. Like, I tried so hard to get more product out of this, so I might use this one more time, but I'm gonna consider this empty because, like I said, I tried so hard and nothing came out. So I've used this 6 times this month, but this has been in my project for a little bit now. So total, I have used this 23 times. So it took me about 23 uses to get through this little guy. I've really liked it, but now it is gone. I can add that to my makeup empties for the year. I am going to be bringing in another blush, because that, you know, I used it on my cheeks as a blush, and I'm gonna take it out of this Z palette here. So I'm not gonna know like the exact name or anything of this because it doesn't have it on the back, unfortunately, but it is this cream blush here, and I know that it's from Ulta. I don't know the shade, unfortunately, and this is a product that I have worked on previously, and I have made a good amount of progress on. I haven't hit pan yet though, so that's gonna be my goal, is either to hit pan or use it up completely by the end of the year. Hopefully you can kind of see where I'm at, how far I am down in the pan and things, but I have been liking using this and enjoying it, so I'm going to pull it back out and add it to this project. Woo! We finally got through this video, guys. Thanks for staying with me. I will see you all later. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know down below if you are doing a project pan. How are you doing with yours? Have you been making a lot of progress? Did you finish up anything this past month? Let me know. I love watching these videos. I actually really do enjoy filming them, and I think that they really do motivate me to use the products that I already have in my collection and to discover some things I normally would not have reached for otherwise. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye, have a good one.